Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to part 3 of the Dismantle and Lubrication of a Bolex P2 governor. So, during the installation and a little bit just before, at the back here of my pencil eraser, you've noticed one of my previous videos, you add a little bit of graphite grease with a toothpick. Now we're going to do the same thing to just this area right here at the end of my pencil eraser, right where the spring is, okay? And then in another place. So, it's graphite grease time yet again. And if you're wondering why, if you've been using sewing machine oil, which you don't want to use for years, is because that is only going to last about 3 days. It will. So, just add some of this right here, right up on the spring, just a touch. You get inside of there, just rake it off on the spring. You don't want to get it around inside of there on the part of the bell, because that can cause speed problems. The grease putting too much weight potentially on parts of the governor. Alright, so as you can see, take a good close-up of that. Good look at that there. Let's see what's going on there. So right inside of there, right in the spring. Okay? Next, you want to apply some of the graphite grease here at the tip. Right there. Okay? So going to add some right on there, right on the tip, just like that, and that is essentially all that is needed for the governor. Now you'll attach, of course, the front of the turret to per se back onto the front of the body of the camera. The only thing you got to watch out for is here, these two wires, okay, at the top. They're not going to be going back in there easy, so you're going to take your pair of tweezers or a toothpick and push them back up inside there a bit. At any rate, what you're going to do is slide everything back together, just like this. You have to pick this up and get a good shot for you the best I can. Take your tweezers. We'll scrape this up, and there's a hole down in there, as you probably know. Let me show you where it is. There's just a hole right here at the end of my pencil eraser. Okay? So I can get you to see it a bit better. Right here. Just beyond this gear. Alright? Take your tweezers. Pick up the governor. Pull it back a bit. And slip it right in there, and there you are, just like so. Okay, so you're done, everything is set. The only thing I stress again is around the other side. It can be a little irksome. Make sure this is fitted in properly and everything is sealed here properly. You want to put a light seal around there, you can. It's good to do. Those wires. Check around for these wires back here. I'll show you. You have to line them up with a toothpick and push them down inside. See how this is not seated properly? That's because of those wires. So take yourself a toothpick, go back with the process and poke those wires inside of the body right here. Okay? That's it. And then pretty much on that part, you're good to go. Do contact me at the regular social media outlets on the screen, and do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.